Don't you know that time goes by?
Welcome back to the next tutorial of hip-hop freestyle. Heel toe has two parts, heel and toe, that it's going to help you to move faster with the music, can make different variations with this simple basic. So stay with me till the end. At the end of the video, I will teach you a good routine and drills for you to learn this essential basic. First of all, heel toe in hip hop style is like heel and toe. You can move heel and toe outside or inside. When you want to go outside, it's like you're turning with your heel and your toe outside, and then change your feet and try another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me teach you another variation and another type of heel toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. And you can try it faster. You can do something easier. Just hit the floor with your heel and toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just heel, hit with your heel. You can use this basic step for your freestyle. And toe, 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 heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. First of all, we have to do heel toes outside. One outside, 2 outside, 3 outside, and then inside, and then outside again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, repeat it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maintain a bounce while you're doing the heel toe, because you have to be groovy while you're dancing. We were here, and twist, twist, twist. Try this type of twist with your toes, both of your toes. Again, twist, twist, twist. Toe, heel, toe. The next step is toe, heel, toe, heel. Alright, again. Toe, heel, toe, heel. And again with the other side. And fix your feet here and use the other leg in front of you and back, like a cross, front, back, and then turn back, cross, cross, and done.